All right, guys, I'm headed up on the elk hunt. So we just got finished packing, but I'm going up with Zach Davis. You'll see him here in the video, and yeah, I'm pretty excited. It's like my first elk hunt, first ever rifle elk hunt, and yeah, here we go. What's the plan, Zach?
We're gonna kill an elk. That's the ultimate plan here. But first, we're gonna take a nap.
Brian?
It's a full moon. Moon phase says at about 2 o'clock. The elk will be coming out, so we're gonna have one like right up in there.
Could get pretty crazy. Right, Brian?
It's pretty crazy.
It's gonna sound like a war zone up in here.
Hopefully.
We got 3 tags.
We got camp set up. Bada bing, bada boom. On top of the mountain.
Let's get it.
Out some cow calls, and I'm kind of looking, buzzing down below us, and I'm gonna go bull, bull, and he's moving across, and then Bryton called again and brought him back towards us, and he stepped out and just thumped him. So that's how he plays. Good job, buddy. Thanks, man. Help.
What'd you do?
Well, give you a quick recap. This is day 2 of our 2020 over-the-counter elk hunt in Utah, and we got one down last night. Got them all quartered up and hung the meat to cool off. We didn't want to take it all the way up that over there.
Pretty good
So
distance
we're
there.
just gonna grab it on the way out. Yeah.
What's going on?
We got some crackers. We've got some soup on the other side. Got some carrots, got some chicken, got some meat. A little bit of everything. That's what happens when you bring food for 3 days and you kill on the first day. You have to get rid of your food and you build a concoction of random food that will just go back to nature.
It's an unofficial bear bait station.
What are we replacing it with?
You're replacing it with lean organic meat.
That's right.
elk meat.
Elk meat. Yes.
All right, headed out, packed up.
It's gonna only get heavier.
We're done. Day one. Got a bull down, so we're gonna pack it out. Hope maybe kill another one. So stay tuned, my friends. What do you got to say?
This is gonna be a long, heavy hike. We got like 40 pounds of camp, and then we're gonna have like 50, 60 pounds of meat. So
It's gonna be a heavy one. Zach?
It's gonna be a good workout for sure, but it's worth it.
Oh yeah. We'll see.
This is the moment we've been so excited for. The pack out. It's gonna be fun. We've got, I don't know, 4 miles? 5 miles?
we did 6 miles yesterday.
Mine told me 8.
Oh, he must have done more than I did. We hiked the same trail.
I know.
Oh, it's my watch. My
Oh, is
watch.
it?
Yeah, my watch told me 6.
I was gonna look again and see what it was.
But yeah, we got quite the pack out. Zach's got a rear and the head. Clay's got the 2 fronts. I've got a hind quarter. And we all have our camps on our backs.
We're planning on being here for 4 days or 3.5 days.
Yeah, 3.5 days.
And
We packed for 4.
so now we got pretty heavy packs and a lot of trees to go over.
Yeah, deadfall.
Deadfall's gonna kill us, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was.
Okay, you good? So your waist strap?
Yeah.
Yeah, get it as tight as you possibly can.
Without crapping my pants.
Yeah, don't crap your pants.
That's on video?
Yeah.
No crapping of the pants.
Okay. We're going on your count once you're ready.
Alright, let me tighten this.
Everything kind of settled a little bit. There we go. Okay. All right, Clay, you want to grab one side? I'll grab the other and go on your count, Nick. Or Zach, sorry.
Come on now.
Sorry, that's your... On video. On video, I called you your brother.
3,
All right.
2, 1.
Oh, you kind of went for it before I could help.
Carry.
Right into your neck.
Elk kisses, man.
How's it feel?
This sucks.
It's gonna get a little licking on the back there.
Zach, I'm sorry I called you your brother. You guys look very alike. You didn't know you were twin brothers.
Oh man, got the horns and everything.
Oh, dude, this is heavy.
Oh yeah, baby. That's what it's worth though, right?
Oh, yeah.
Nice job.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
How you doing? Do you
I'm
need help?
doing great.
Nice job, bro.
Hey, thanks, man. You too. Good liftings. Oh, jeez.
Got it.
There we go.
Hey.
Woo! That's
we
why
go.
we do it.
Like 5 miles, right?
A
More than that.
little bit more than 5.
Well,
After Zach and I looked at our phones again, we had both done
8 yesterday.
8.8 yesterday with going up trying to find Clay after we killed the bull, coming back down, cutting it up. So I think we got like 5.6 miles to the Jeep,
Yes.
let's get it.
but it's all downhill.
Sure. Load it up. Here we go, boys.
The fun begins. Wanted the meat.
But not the back straps, right?
No.
What happened?
We hung the meat last night because camp's all the way up there, and we come down this morning to load up, and the back straps are missing. We don't know if a coyote took it, if some hunter came by.
I think they're in his pack.
They're not in my
And he's
pack.
not telling us.
Unless Clay put him in my pack because he's like, we're going to give him the heavy one.
Yeah. Well, if you think about it, he was down here 80 yards in front of us.
That's true.
I kid you not, I saw him go behind this tree. So,
Promise
yeah, I don't believe you.
pack.
All right, let's get it.
Let's go.
Flip.
Then you,
There you go. There you go.
first you get the cheese, then you get the stick.
Just like that.
Right there.
He's coming in clutch. And I think he might have one for Zach if he doesn't eat it. So
I got that or some fruit snacks for Zach. We'll see what he decides to get.
got back to the trail.
Or if he gets really crazy, I got some tuna. But as you guys saw, I crushed up those crackers and poured them out.
Oh yeah.
Bait.
Yeah, I don't know if we could carry that back here. Too much weight.
Too much weight.
Well, I was right. We just got back to the trail, so now it's like 4.5 miles. Easy walking. That's what they call it. So.
Yep, there's some deadfall, but it's gonna be a lot better than what we were up at the top of that. Non-camera, it never looks that steep, but I kid you not, that is one of the steepest things I've ever hiked down with this much weight.
A lot of deadfall too. So yeah, thanks for watching, and probably see some video of us suffering here on the way out.
Oh, for sure. This right here, the best beef jerky ever.
Old Trapper.
Old Trapper. Old fashioned.
Well,
Old fashioned Trapper.
we made it.
Yeah, that sucked. That was very humbling. What was it? How long did that take us?
Probably 2 or 3 hours, maybe.
Yeah, that was a very humbling 2 to 3 hours. So
That whole time.
ready?
I gotta put this down.
That's up high, way. Oh, let's go. I just lost my enthusiasm.
You got it. I believe in you. Just do a barrel roll.
Just throw that neat. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
I got your back here.
That is a heavy load. Okay, now the tricky part. Now you got to grab your gun without falling over. Squat.
We got back to the Jeep and nobody has any rolled ankles or torn ACLs coming down that steep, nasty canyon. We did about, how many miles do you think we did
Today?
coming out?
Oh, I bet we did 6.
Probably 6 miles coming out. We did 8 yesterday going in.
Yeah.
We went up a different way. Came out a different way, obviously. Yeah, we each had about 40 pounds of just camp in our bags because we'd packed to be up here for 4 days. I ended up killing him opening morning, but opening evening, he walked in at 106 yards, and Bryton, my good buddy who was up here with Clay and I, he did a couple cow calls, and that bull walked in, and we got him. So it was a quick change. That was the only elk we saw in there opening day, and yeah, but now we're back and we're happy. We're gonna go get a Pepsi and some food in us.
Oh yeah.
But that's a wrap.